Hey everybody, Joe Liptak, audio engineer here. Today I'm going to be talking about Adobe Premiere and how to sync video audio to a new AVI video clip. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is import the video files into Adobe Premiere. Okay, so you've just imported your AVI video file and the video file that has the audio content you want. Go ahead and start by dragging down the AVI video file into the timeline. Right-click and unlink the video file from the audio file for the AVI video. Go ahead and delete the AVI video's audio. Okay, the next thing you want to do is drag down the video file that contains the audio you want into the timeline. Do the same thing. Right-click and unlink the audio from the video, but this time delete the video clip and keep the audio clip. Now you want to drag the audio up to the AVI video clip. Next thing you want to do is to sync the audio to the AVI video. Little tip on how to do this, you can click the arrow to the left of the audio track to show the waveform. You want to line up the transients of something like maybe a word or a clap to the AVI video so you know that they're definitely on time with one another. Turning off your magnets may also make this an easier task to tackle. So that's how you do work in Adobe Premiere. I'm Joe Liptak. Thanks for watching, guys.